In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make and receive calls in Microsoft Teams if you're using Teams to stay connected with coworkers, classmates, or clients. Knowing how to quickly start a call is a very useful skill. The good news is that the process is simple, and once you've done it once or twice, it becomes second nature. To get started, go to Chat in Microsoft Teams. This is where all of your direct conversations and group discussions are organized. If you're already signed in, look for the chat area in the Teams interface and open it. This section is important because calls in this workflow are started directly from an existing conversation, which makes it easy to reach the right person or group without searching around. Once you're in chat, open a one-on-one chat or a group chat. Choose the conversation that matches who you want to call. If you only want to speak with one person, open a direct chat with them. If you need to talk with several people at once, open the group chat instead. This helps make sure your call begins in the correct context, and it can also make follow-up communication easier since everything stays connected to the same chat thread. After opening the chat, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the options to start either a video call or an audio call. Click the video call icon if you want to meet face-to-face using your camera, or click the audio call icon if you only need voice. Audio only can be a great choice when you want to save bandwidth or keep things quick, while video can be better for more personal or collaborative conversations. As soon as you select one of those icons, Teams will begin placing the call. The other person or the members of the group will receive the incoming call in Teams and can choose to answer it there. If they pick up, your call will begin right away. A helpful tip is to make sure your microphone, speakers, and camera are working before you start, especially for video calls. That can help avoid delays and make the conversation smoother from the start. And that's all it takes to make and receive calls in Microsoft Teams. Open chat, select the right conversation, and use the audio or video call button in the top right to connect quickly and easily.